We've been talking about the problems between Europe and the United States, but increasingly there's a third player. There's China. Now, 5 years ago, China was only registering 100 clinical trials with the FDA. Now, last year, we saw over 1,000 clinical trials registered by China with the FDA. In fact, last year, Chinese companies have eclipsed European companies with filing clinical research with the FDA. And a current trend, China is going to exceed the US clinical trial registrations by 2028. How do you see this competition evolving with China, particularly here in California, where there are so many Chinese companies setting up?
The thing to think about with regard to China is that they are a partner in drug development in many ways, and they're also a competitor. And that's a very delicate balance. And it mostly means that we need to be very protective of IP in certain situations. But as a partner, 75% of early phase preclinical development work goes to China. And it's because there's really high quality partners there that do that work, and they're much less expensive than US partners. And so when you look at that and say, well, we kind of created that ourselves. The US is very good at taking a technology, developing it to a certain point, and then saying, let's outsource this somewhere else where we can get it done cheaper.